my goodness, for a second my recording button was kind of like stuck. That's how long I haven't used this camera for. Hi everyone, I am about to go eat right now and I kind of wanted to show what I eat like during this quarantine. Wow, someone is hammering away. Yeah. So let's go. We put in an order for a burrito and fries, and I know this looks very generic, but yeah, we're gonna go pick it up now. So let's go. And of course, is it in here? No, it's not. Where? Ah, there it is. What's up? Ooh, aren't those pretty? Anyway, I just thought I'd do a voiceover for the rest of this video because, I don't know, I just haven't done a voiceover in a while. And here I am washing my dishes before I eat because that makes total sense. And I'm unpacking my food. Okay, Chai-Ping, you're already showing this. You don't have to talk about it. What I got though, I got a burrito, garlic fries, very, very important. Oops, yeah, you guys didn't see that. Yep, there's the burrito. It had Spam in it, which is really, really yummy. And I put salsa on it, and it came with a soda, but didn't drink that. Who knew fries and burritos were such a good combo? The store definitely knew what it was doing. So these are ingredients that I took out for the next meal I was gonna put together. I normally do that like the meal before or the day before. I'm gonna make something. I'll put something from the freezer in the fridge so it can sort of start thawing. Yeah, for this you had to make a sauce in advance with miso, butter, a lot of good things. And yeah, I could actually eat it. It was that good. And then I prepped some potatoes, yep, just swirling them around in oil and salt and pepper, and then put those in the oven, cooked the meats that would be coated in the sauce, and put those on a baking sheet, and put some veg on there too. Check the recipe, obviously you gotta do that just so that your ratios are good. Coated the meats, put salt and pepper on the veg, and then put all of that in the oven with the potatoes again actually. Then I made a smoothie bowl in between because I really enjoy these and I'm done buying them. Yeah, this recipe was super good. I mean, it looks good, and miso and butter, who knew? I'll leave it down in the description so you all can make it for yourselves. What's up? Somebody's walking outside and they're gonna totally think I'm crazy, but thank you guys so much for watching. That is what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you didn't find it too boring. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!